Dubrovnik, you are a pretty city, and that's where we are today. In Croatia.
Pay our respects to the king.
So basically the plan for today, it's quite exciting. I can't wait to shoot this video. Dubrovnik was one of my places I was looking forward to the most when I said I was going to Europe. It was up there with the Swiss Alps, and so far from what I've seen, it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so first up we're doing a Game of Thrones tour. So that'll be pretty cool for anyone that watches this channel that watches Game of Thrones. We're going through some of the sets. On that we have sea kayaking, and I haven't kayaked in about 10 plus years, so this is going to be very interesting. But the sea kayaking should lead to some cliff jumping to carry on Atmosphere Collective's, you know, reputation of jumping off high things. Enjoy the rest of the video. Game of Thrones tour, roll it through. In Dubrovnik, isn't it? Like the atmosphere here is pretty special.
So awesome. So we're going to head to where the trial by combat happened, and we're going to recreate it, and I'm going to smash Matt's head in.
Please do not do that. Anyway, Croatia today, they actually have a national holiday today, and on Monday, I don't know if it is for the World Cup or not, but Croatia beat Argentina 3-0 in the World Cup. So not only is this city just always happy and vibrant, there are even more on a high.
And it was going off last night.
It was really going off. It was awesome to see. The Game of Thrones tour is now over, and it was absolutely wonderful. It was splendid to see the city of Dubrovnik, the old city specifically. See you, Bogdan. See you later. Atmosphere is going. So there's exactly the same thing happened in Switzerland. Yeah, so the amount of different gongs going. What is happening? Anyway, Dubrovnik is beautiful. Check it out. Boom, we are inside the cave now. So we've already done some kayaking, which is, we didn't really get to do any footage of the kayaking.
I was in a solo kayak, so I couldn't actually get the GoPro out and film. Hopefully with it being a bit calmer, I'll get it out in this one. We can get some footage of that. The camera gear was obviously packed away inside the kayak, so I couldn't get that out when we were going around, but it was absolutely beautiful. It was absolutely so peaceful just going around looking back in the city of Dubrovnik. And you're just in a kayak just going along the ocean. It was really cool. We paddled into a storm.
That's true. We did.
We have a thing for storms now. So basically, when we start sailing
in any form of
any form, yeah. So any sea vessel is kind of summons Zeus, and he rains fire down upon us. So.
So this cave is really beautiful right now. All we're going to do right now is we're going to shoot some slow motion B-roll of the cave, and at the end of it, there will be a cliff jump. Hopefully. Hopefully, if we can find our way up to the top.
We're gonna find this.
We're gonna find it first. Yeah, but that's what the hope is. All right, enjoy. finished the cliff jumping and the day has been absolutely extraordinary, kayaking across Dubrovnik, and it is now quite dark, but this vlog isn't going to end here. We'll continue it tomorrow, because tomorrow morning Zane and I, we are going to hike to the top of Dubrovnik to get a great view of the city and the ocean at sunrise? What time? 6 a.m? 6 a.m. I think. So we want to be at the top at 6 a.m. So it's going to be an early start, and we have to get back to a bus that takes us to another city in Croatia. So yeah, it's going to be a tough one. But anyway, Ricky Bobby, you coming?
Hell no.
Anyway, I will be doing that hike tomorrow, and the video will continue then too. And now we're hiking, aren't we, Zane? So what exactly are we doing today?
We are climbing up Mount Surge, as they call it.
I don't know how he knows how to pronounce it. Sorry, my voice is really croaky, but I woke up about 15 minutes ago. It's 5 a.m. here in Dubrovnik, and we're hiking already. It's going to be absolutely glorious. The view is already looking pretty. There's pinks in the sky. This city is pretty as it is, so from this view, it can only be better. There is Dubrovnik right behind us. At the end of this hike, Zane's chilling over on that peak over there. Woo! And there it is, Dubrovnik. What a city. You are so beautiful. One of my favorite I've seen in Europe, so I'm trying to keep Dubrovnik in the background. The old city at least it is. This spot's absolutely wonderful. I'm so glad to go up and do the sunrise hike. Sun coming over the mountain, city lit up. This is what it's all about. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video, wherever that may be. So we started the day at sunrise, top of Dubrovnik. I know this is a little extra. It's like, you know, the Marvel Cinematic Universe where they have like an after scene credit. This is gonna be this for the vlog. This is all it's gonna be. Just us enjoying a sunset by the ocean in Zadar in Croatia. Now a different city. What a day. What a day. Look at that. That is beautiful. Charters are going down over the ocean. Down we go. Finish the job. Absolutely incredible. Thank you, Croatia, for such a wonderful day. Enjoy next week's episode.